Imagine waking up 23 days from now with an extra $1,000 in your bank account. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. Saving $1,000 in just 30 days is not only achievable, but it can also be a thrilling challenge. By making small, actionable changes to your daily habits, you can reach this goal. Ready to dive in? Let's break this down step by step. First, let's talk about your mindset. The first thing you need is determination. Visualize what that extra cash could mean for you. Maybe it's a vacation, a new gadget, or building your emergency fund. Keeping that end goal in mind will help you stay focused. Each time you hesitate to save, remember what you're working towards. Next, it's time to set a clear plan. One effective way to approach this challenge is to break down that $1,000 goal into smaller, manageable parts. Saving just $33 a day might feel less daunting than a full grand at once. Think about it. By saving $33 daily, you can reach your target in no time. What could you do with that daily allocation? Now, let's explore some practical saving strategies. Assess your current expenses. Take a good look at where your money goes every month. You might be surprised at how much you spend on non-essentials. Do you grab lunch every day? Or maybe you're subscribed to multiple streaming services. Those expenses add up quickly. By cutting or reducing these costs, you can funnel that money into your savings. Think about cooking at home instead of eating out. If lunch costs you $10, packing a meal from home could drop that to just a couple of bucks. If you did that 5 days a week, you'd pocket $40. That's over $160 a month. Next, let's consider your shopping habits. Are you buying that latte every morning? What if you brewed your coffee at home? A daily coffee shop visit could easily cost you $4. Instead, buying a bag of coffee at the store for $10 could last a whole week. Transitioning to at-home brews could save you more than $50 in a month. Not to mention, you can customize it exactly how you like. Another big chunk of savings can come from unused subscriptions. Have you counted how many services you subscribe to but rarely use? This could include everything from gym memberships to streaming platforms. Canceling a couple of those can free up a chunk of cash, easily saving you $30 or more a month. This is extra money that can go directly into your savings account. Here's an interesting idea. Implement a no-spend challenge. Choose 1 week or 2 where you commit to spending only on essentials. This means no dining out, no shopping, and no unnecessary purchases. At the end of the week, see how much you saved. Many people find that the challenge helps them rethink their spending patterns. This could even turn into a habit that benefits your finances long term. While we're on the topic of habits, let's not forget about side hustles. Engaging in a simple side gig can earn you extra cash. If you have a skill or hobby, think about ways you can monetize it. Can you bake? Perhaps you can sell treats in your neighborhood. Are you good at graphic design? Freelancing online could bring in some additional income. Just a few hours a week could balance out to significant savings for that $1,000 goal. Let's also consider the power of saving in small amounts. $1 here and a few cents there can accumulate faster than you think. Using apps that round your purchases up to the nearest dollar and deposit the difference into savings can be a game changer. This spare change habit can lead to significant savings without you even realizing it's gone. Did you know that automating your savings can also help? Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account every payday. Even $50 can help you reach your goal without effort. Automation takes away the temptation to spend that money instead. By the end of the month, those automatic transfers might just give you that extra boost needed to hit $1,000. As you work towards your target, remember to stay flexible. Life can throw unexpected expenses your way, and that's okay. The important part is not to be disheartened if you stumble. If you have a week where you can't save $33, find ways to make it up in the following ones. Adapt your strategies to keep moving forward. Throughout this entire process, tracking your progress is crucial. Create a visual chart or a savings app to mark your milestones. Watching your savings grow can provide a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to stay on course. As you approach the end of this 30-day challenge, reflect on what you've learned. This might have opened your eyes to new habits or made you realize how much you can actually save when you put your mind to it. Perhaps you've instilled a new sense of discipline with your finances. Whatever the result, celebrate your success. Whether you reach that $1,000 goal or not, every dollar saved counts. In conclusion, saving $1,000 in just 30 days is not out of reach. With determination, a solid plan, and a few small changes, you'll be well on your way. Remember, it's about building habits that stick. So, as you finish this journey, continue applying these lessons to your financial future. Make saving not just a challenge,